Hey guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a travel binder stuffing. I had a few dollars left over from the payments that came through this past week, and so I wanted to make sure that I'm still stuffing this, even though this money right here is not going to go towards the cruise that I'm taking in April. Yes, it's finally booked and we have a date, but this one is actually going to the next family vacation, which is going to be in October, if I'm not mistaken. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to go ahead and stuff. We have travel envelopes, travel packets in the shop. We have been out of envelopes for the travel, but it will be restocking soon. I have a lot of envelopes that I just need to put the categories on. The categories are set. Cruise, I made this whole set before I made this set, and if y'all are new here, the categories are spending, Airbnb, tickets, and admission are 2 different envelopes. Souvenirs, eating out and snacks are 2 different envelopes. Transportation, tips and parking, entertainment, and miscellaneous. The travel envelopes are 10 envelopes in a set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the one that I have right here is 12. The categories, whenever you purchase it, it will let you know the list of 10 that are going to be on each envelope. I added mommy trip, mom's bucket list, capital trips, which is going to be the main one that we're going to start traveling to this year actually, and I will be doing those in vlogs. Whenever I take money out of these envelopes, I will be doing a vlog to show you where we go and just to go see the capital. So the goal is so that I go to all 50 states, and I plan to go to all 50 states with my mother. Universal Studios, Hawaii, New York, and then the cruise. So these I had created before that, and the cruise I should just go ahead and make another one because this year alone I have 2 cruises that I'm going to go to, and then we plan on going to hit 4 out of the 50 states this year. So Austin being one of them, which is funny because we were just in Austin two weekends ago, and we were up the street from the Capitol, and we did not take a picture. We actually just completely forgot all about it. And I want to take a picture of each Capitol at night and one during the day, so that I can have each photo is going to have like a daytime and nighttime, and it's going to be in black and white type thing. Anyway, so the amount that we will be stuffing today, I'm just going to put this in there because it's going to be the last one that we stuff anyway, is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. The amount is my leftover from just cash stuffing. I have been cash stuffing, but the video that I had recorded previously for the cash stuffing, it got deleted, and so it's not deleted, it was like grayed out, so I guess it was deleted. Some parts you were able to see, but most of it just kind of grayed out, so I had to delete the whole video. And then here is, and I have my little notes here, so that's what y'all are seeing. I already told my kids to be as quiet as possible, but of course that just means to be as loud as possible whenever I'm recording. Alright, so in the month of December, I did not stuff anything. In the month of January, I thought I was going to at least remember to stuff something, and I did not, and so we're just going to go ahead and put a line through it. I was so busy with the 3 celebrations for the kids that we did not, I did not remember to stuff it. I had the money, but it slipped my mind. I was so busy. You have no idea. If I was trying to make time to Uber, and I couldn't even make time to Uber whenever we were done, like just doing stuff period. We would come home and we would go straight to bed. It was like, that's how tiring it was. It was like picking up kids, dropping kids off, traffic. We were going, around town and just enjoying ourselves. And it's something that you would want to do just to enjoy yourself, but within traffic, it's like, I feel like whenever you leave, especially if you get off work at 5 o'clock and having to take someone somewhere through the traffic that's like on our main street that's by my house, it's like you're losing most of your time to traffic, and it's so tiring. By the time you get home, it's like you're ready to go to bed. All right, so this is the only thing that we're going to be doing today. We are going to be stuffing the 27, which is the usual, and then the remaining is going to go to the first cruise. I have cruise 1, cruise 2, cruise 1, cruise 2 on here, but I feel like I put money in here before, so we're just going to put this to the side. I had some coins, and I'm going to put it in the little jar. Actually, let's do that now. So spending, we're going to put $1. I have been putting money to the side for my mommy trip. Right now we already purchased the tickets, and for the airplane tickets, to get there, we need to figure out where we're going to stay in Florida, and then we already have the cruise booked. So we just need to figure out Florida's thing. And Airbnb is getting 5. All right, so. Actually, there was money in here. Okay, so it's only $1. So it's $2 in spending. Airbnb is going to get 5, and it has 5 in it. And I am checking to make sure it's just 5. So now there's 10. And these dollars are so, I feel like they got wet. Like they're like that real flimsy feel. Tickets. Girl, why was it way over there? Tickets and admission is only going to get 1. So the idea is that we're going to be on a cruise and there's going to be 2 in here. We're going to be on this cruise, and with being on the cruise, we're going to have like a day before or a day after. So there's that too. And then while we're there, we're probably going to do, I like to hit museums and like history type things. So if we are going to be there, I want to go see like a museum or a history landmark or something like that. I also like to see what local food they have in that area. So I want to go like an extra day early. Transportation is going to have 1, so it's going to be 2. Tips and parking. And the port that we plan on, I believe, is going to be Galveston. So this first cruise is going to be in Florida. We're going to the Bahamas. It's a mommy trip. And the second cruise is going to go to Cozumel. And it's just, the family cruise, the 3-day family cruise. I think it's 3 or 5 days. Now that I said that out loud, I have no idea. But that one's not till like October, and we're doing that one as a double graduation. 5. I have money in this mommy trip, but this mommy trip is going to go to Dallas, not the mommy trip that's going to be in April. The Dallas trip was supposed to be in March, so I don't know if it's still going to be in March. I still got to, I finally have a surgery date, and it's at the end of March, so I don't know if I'm going to be taking a trip to Dallas or not. I might. I don't know. Depends on how things go. All right, so $10 in the bucket list and $10 in mommy trip. I don't know if I said that. And then Capital is going to get 1. Universal is going to get 1. Hawaii is going to get 1. New York is going to get 1. And then Cruise is going to have whatever is left over. So Capital Trips has 2. And the dollars were upside down in some of them. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. If it bothers you, I don't know what to tell you. All right, Universal Studios has 2. Hawaii has 2. Hawaii, I think we're going to do that one in 2025. It's going to be the family vacation. And I kind of want to start saving, like having a savings account or whatever, and get like a head count as to how many people are going. But I think we're going to be going, I kind of want to go to Hawaii in January. So I don't know if that's going to happen. They say that it's like kind of expensive. So I'm going to start looking into when's a good time. We might actually do it, have it as the vacation that we do in September or October. I think that's a good time to go travel whenever it's September, October-ish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's going to go in the first cruise. And this is just the money that's going to be... Oh, there's money in here. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how much was this one? Oh, these are Chris. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So just put that we're putting 11 in here because I have no idea where that money came from. All right, so 11. All right, so if y'all stayed with me to the end, go ahead and put a cruise ship just to let me know that y'all are still here. I really do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and sum this up. So 11, 21, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So that would be 38 because we had $33 and then we found the 5. So, all right. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I really do appreciate y'all. Y'all stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye, guys.